Hello, memefi coin miners. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you click this one, then possibly you've been mining memefi. So, well, it's high time that you created a seamless wallet that is actually absolutely integrated with the memefi app, which is on Telegram. This was actually spoken of some weeks ago by memefi app owners. They said they would actually create a wallet that we would actually open right from the app. And it's item that you just created one. So what you need to do is you click in the bottom right corner where there is the wallet icon. And then you hit create wallet. Remember, this is the first time that you're doing this, so you have to create the wallet. If you had created one, that's when you would actually hit login. So you click create wallet. And after clicking create wallet, what you need to do is you save the passphrase. You will see a number of words and their numbers just before the word. So what you do is you take note of the number as well as the word so that you store them somewhere. You don't need to forget this. Should you be logged out of Telegram or you happen to lose your phone, then you buy a new one. When you happen to install Telegram and you begin to mine memefi, you'll be able to restore the wallet and you'll be able to log in by using the passphrase. So you have to take care of it pretty well. So hit create wallet. So now you need to click save, then continue. And boom, you are in. So you see this here. And you're good to go. Once you do this, you're good to go.